Trunks, trunks, trunks. He packed his trunks for the swimming competition. Workout clothes, workout clothes, workout clothes. She always wears comfortable workout clothes to the gym. Bra, bra, bra. She bought a new bra and slip for her dress. Briefs, briefs, briefs. He prefers wearing cotton briefs for comfort. Corset, corset, corset. She wore a corset under her dress to shape her waist. Knickers, knickers, knickers. She bought a pack of lace knickers. Leg warmers, leg warmers, leg warmers. She wore leg warmers over her tights in dance class. Panties, slips, panties, slips, panties, slips. She packed extra panties and slips for the trip. Petticoat, petticoat, petticoat. She wore a petticoat under her dress for extra volume. Stockings, stockings, stockings. She wore black stockings with her high heels. Tights, tights, tights. She wore wool tights to keep warm in winter. Underpants, underpants, underpants. He bought a pack of cotton underpants. Undershirt, undershirt, undershirt. He wore a white undershirt under his dress shirt. Underwear, underwear, Underwear. She packed extra underwear for her trip. Y fronts, Y fronts, Y fronts. He prefers wearing Y fronts for support. Balaclava, balaclava, balaclava. He wore a balaclava to keep warm in the snow. Beret, beret, beret. She looked stylish in a red beret. Bowler, derby hat, bowler, derby hat, bowler, derby hat. He wore a bowler hat with his suit. Bucket hat, bucket hat, bucket hat. He put on a bucket hat for extra sun protection. Cowboy hat, cowboy hat, cowboy hat. He wore a cowboy hat at the rodeo. Fedora, fedora, fedora. He completed his vintage look with a fedora. Flat cap, flat cap, flat cap. He wore a flat cap with his casual outfit. Helmet, helmet, helmet. He always wears a helmet when riding his bike. Mortarboard hat, mortarboard hat, mortarboard hat. She threw her mortarboard hat into the air at graduation. Straw hat, straw hat, straw hat. She wore a straw hat to protect herself from the sun. Top hat, top hat, top hat. The magician wore a black top hat during his performance. Boots, boots, boots. He wore leather boots on the hiking trip. Business shoes, business shoes, business shoes. He bought a pair of black business shoes for work. Chunky heels, chunky heels, chunky heels. She prefers chunky heels because they are more comfortable. Clog, clog, clog. She wore wooden clogs in the garden. Flats, flats, flats. She always wears flats to work for comfort. Flip-flops, flip-flops, flip-flops. He wore flip-flops to the beach. High-heeled shoes, high-heeled shoes, high-heeled shoes. She wore high-heeled shoes to the party. Knee-high boots, knee-high boots, knee-high boots. She wore knee-high boots with a winter coat. Lace up, lace up, lace up. He bought a pair of lace-up shoes for formal events. Loafer, loafer, loafer. He prefers loafers because they are easy to slip on.